Hindi mo masyado alam na tatawagin ka namin.
Get your cameras.
Alam nyo,
This could be the next concert.
but Martin, this is it. This is the exact way it was.
Why, did you guys have a
Ba
pass?
tayo? One-chain?
We have a pass
May
on
pass ba
stage.
kayo?
On stage.
Hello,
We have a partnership.
Gusto ko talaga.
What should we call the show?
Hi, guys.
Jaja Padilla.
Ang ganda-ganda ni Shasha. Ang payat-payat. Divine diva.
She's the most beautiful aswang ever.
Payat-payat eh. Kasi ano yan, masipag talaga yung mag-exercise, mag-work.
O ako dinadaan ko na lang sa drugs. At least sinaamin ko.
The good kind. The good kind.
Magpa-picture tayo. Halika mo.
Ayan, ayan.
Picture lang, picture lang.
Moment na ito.
So, dali ah.
Can you move?
Nakitado po kami sa
Parang
Instagram.
palengke to. Sasalita.
1,
2, 3.
Ay, yung tipong 80s, yung mga poses natin sa
Tag mo kami
80s.
sa Instagram ha.
Mga poses natin sa
Fox
80s.
Fernandez, one word.
Ako, Regine V. Alcacid ng Instagram ko. Tag mo.
Oh, one more time. Wacky faces, ha?
Wacky?
Galingan nyo, ha?
Ready, wacky?
1, 2, 3.
Yun na yung wacky ko eh.
Sorry, that's my one.
Hoy, Pogi.
Wait lang! Jaja, can you be in our next concert?
Sure.
Excuse me, if you're gonna get her, you're gonna have to get
Oh no, you're in already.
Yeah, but
And Jelly signed the contract.
Teka muna, anong gagawin? Kung gagawin natin to na anin tayo next year. Next year.
Next year.
Next year.
Sure.
Anong tawag natin?
Six songs.
Some...
Can I
It sounds
suggest?
kinda sexy.
Go ahead.
masyado.
Can I just suggest?
Paano pag Bisaya? Sexam.
Can I just suggest something? Because I haven't said anything.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Ano yan? Are you have
Maybe
suggestions?
if it's the six of us, it's maybe five some and the handsome. What about that?
Yes. I think it should be called 5.5.
I didn't hear that.
Five and a song.
Even Nate is taller
So
than you.
love it.
You. Yes.
Are you and,
There's something going on with you
I think
too.
you and Gary are going out. Look at your vest. Look at his. Oh, if I know.
So Richie,
Couch and armchair.
pasalamatan naman natin si Miss Jaja. Thank you so much.
Joshua, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you next
The
year.
divine diva, the aswang you hate
Next
to love.
year! Sexam na tayo.
Sexam.
Yes.
Sexy naman
Sexy
ni
ni
Miss Jaja.
Jaja.
Yes.
Nanonood lang yan, ha? Grabe.
Hindi ko mapigil, nagsasayaw ako.
Paano pag nag-perform na siya with us?
Ay, naku, wala.
Kasi naman,
Si Ay de las Alas nandiyan.
Asan partner?
Ay, ay!
Partner!
Ay, 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 salas.
Oh my gosh, partner is with Babe.
Sama na yung boyfriend niya.
Babe.
Babe,
Uy, ang pogi naman yan.
you're so good looking.
Bakit lumalaki yung mata mo?
So's your boyfriend.
Okay guys,
Partner.
hindi lang si Ay nandiyan. Nandiyan sila kumpare ko si Michael V.
Yun, there's Michael V. He's a genius.
Oh my gosh, behind Michael V, we have Bibi Gandamari.
Bibi
And Joy Ortega.
Yes.
Tito Eddie Gutierrez is over there.
Yes, and Tita Annabelle. Don't forget, Tita Annabelle. Ako na lang, Mark.
What?
Tita
Okay.
Annabelle.
Hi.
Wala na.
I think that how she doesn't like me. How about Tito
She
Eddie?
loves you.
Tito Eddie? You ain't know the motorhound dog. The Elvis Presley of the Philippines, Eddie Gutierrez. Come on, show some respect.
Kagwapo.
Just throw money. Respect.
Wow. Thank you guys for coming tonight. Oh, anyway,
Yeah, go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen,